crying. Okay, today is day 2 of life of baby Alexander. So he's doing so well. And lakas uminom ng S26 temporarily because pinarest muna ng konti si Mommy Candice. But later, he will be roomed in and mag-breastfeed na siya kay Mommy. Yes, sleeping si baby.
Yes, yes.
Yes, we are. There's baby brother. Oh, so cute. Oh, no kissing first ko no, not allowed. Sige, so happy. Kabalo manis siya na no, they know how to breastfeed. Ang iya nga ginkakas lang iya anay nga bonnet kag nga ginusar no kagapon.
Ari na dito sa iya bag.
Wow. Tapos tomorrow going home na siya. Oh, baby brother is here.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Dire lang siya.
Si baby.
Dire lang siya butang. Or dire sa side, dire. Okay. Baby.
Ma'am Tupas, congratulations. Congratulations, dog.
Reunion. Hi, baby. Yeah, so cute.
Hey, Tupas, baby boy.
Yes.
Ari palit sa tiyak, Tupas, baby boy.
Ate, ari na si baby brother.
Ano lang siya, ma'am, kung magpuli na ka mo, mama.
Kuya, are you
Sorry,
happy?
ma'am, baby boy.
Ranma is also here. Baby.
Tanan sila. Hindi.
Breastfeeding time na guys. So I have to go show you a bit later when we go home. Feeding si mommy. Oh, yes.
Ang pula-pula.
Lexi. First bath ni Alexander. Yes, baby. Oh, wifey, how do you feel? Feel good? Better for us to go home, guys. Discharge na si Mommy Candice and si Alexander. Let's go home. Bye. Bye, room. Thank you. Okay, Mommy Candice and baby Alexander on the way. Okay, we're on our way home. Job si Mommy Candice, very strong. Si baby Lexi, healthy. Okay, health journey continues in the house, and we'll make sure that Mommy Candice and baby Alexander are healthy. So the kids are waiting. Home, Alexander. We're home. Siblings are waiting. Welcome home, Mommy. Mommy's back slowly. Lock pa, doorbell, no? There's here. Here, Grandma, Ate, baby's home. Where's the others? Lexi!
Kiss mo na po.
Lexi! Why, Kuya?
Lexi,
Say welcome to your baby brother. Oh, kiss the legs. Wow! Kuya, kiss the legs.
you kiss.
Oh, welcome.
Room. I was playing in the room.
Yeah, kiss. Okay. Yes, guys. We're We're home. Oh guys, let's have a family selfie.
Na baby.
Oh, come on. Join mommy. Oh, where's that? Lexi cannot be seen. Go there, oh. Oh, kuya, go near your, grandma. Near grandma. There. Okay, 1, 2. Okay. Hey, Alexander. Oh, lakad ka, wifey. First, ni Alexander, strolling around the village.
Cover you with this.
Yeah, so that mapainitan siya. Si Mommy Candice, first time to walk around after giving birth. If we count the Monday kung kailan siya nanganak, 5th day. This is the 5th day. Well, nice na. Alexander. Okay, guys.